There are lucky people and then there are unlucky people. But unlucky people deserve to be celebrities too.
Right. Because there's a long list of people who, like, constantly something bad is happening to them. Like,
Correct.
they'll have 16 accidents, then they'll be hit by lightning, and then something will happen, and then something will happen. You know,
Wow.
there are many people like that.
Correct.
But if you see in a way, they are also lucky because they are surviving every time.
Oh, so you're saying they're unlucky. These are stories of people who have been so unlucky that their unluckiness has turned into the luck.
Because at
So at
this
some
point,
point,
that person
you're
is
lucky.
like, वैसे भी मेरे साथ बुरा ही होगा. The fact that I'm surviving all these bad things is I'm special. The first one I'm going to talk about is this guy called Roy Sullivan. ठीक है? Now this dude is a common, like, this is a common unlucky person.
Got it.
He got hit by lightning 7 times.
Wow.
By lightning.
Oh, shit.
7 times.
In his lifespan.
In his lifespan.
Oh, shit.
And there were some 4 years in the middle which was so unlucky for him. He got hit 4 out of 7 times in those 4 years.
Oh, shit. Wow. So, I said, like, hey man, you know, what are the chances? The chances of that, like, getting struck by lightning? This bro will be like, dekh bhai.
Wrong person you're asking this question to. Chances are probably 100 on 100.
मेरे को तो पड़ेगा.
If there's a lineup of 100 people, I will be hit by lightning for sure.
So the thing is, on the other hand, right? If I was next to that guy, I'd be like, I'm glad you're with me.
True.
है ना?
See,
क्योंकि
he
मेरे
is
को-
lucky for other people who are in the vicinity.
हाँ ना, मैं बोला, अरे बहुत तूफान हो रहा है. बोला, hey रॉय चल ना, मैं तेरे साथ चलेगा. I feel safe with you. And Roy will be like,
He's
bro,
the electricity conducting
Rod.
part of this entire.
हाँ.
This is फिर भी ठीक है, you know, people know what is happening. The thunderstorm happened. You can
Lightning
explain
है.
this and all. There's one lady in the US and she got hit by a meteor. It has never happened to anybody
In
ever.
the history of mankind, I
And
can.
it's like this big. And she was like lying down on her couch or something. It came into her house, hit the radio, and hit her here.
What? Literal hit. Wow.
She has like this. There are photos on the internet of her having like this giant like bruise over here.
Wow.
And people have collected that meteor and kept because like what this tiny meteor fuck this woman in particular करके उसका घर तोड़ दिया और फिर उसको थाई पे भी लगा रेडियो पे बाउंस होके उसको लगा. Can you imagine?
Wow. Imagine this man. So hundreds of years in the making. You know, one massive asteroid went, hit something, broke, traveled across space, got stuck in like apna gravity well, spun, made its way in, hit, fuck this lady.
Yeah, fuck this lady in Alabama.
Wow.
Because
I feel
सब
at this
कुछ
point-
United States में ही रहता है, right? Like it's just known, even the universe knows कि United
I
States में
think
गिरना है.
I think it's just well documented. I feel
I was thinking about this only. There must be so many people who must have been hit with meteors and all, but nobody knows कि क्या हुआ.
Yeah.
People must be thinking कि हाँ वहाँ पे political rally चल रहा है उसमें से
पत्थर आया.
पत्थर फेंक लिया हम पे. So no one goes to like saying कि ये किधर से आया.
so.
पता
Also,
नहीं.
Eastern philosophy, when shit happens, we don't go like why. We're like okay,
Okay. Now what?
now what?
अब घर फिक्स करना पड़ेगा, छत फिक्स करना पड़ेगा, रेडियो नया लाना पड़ेगा, क्या करें? But something more close to home, which not home exactly home, but mentally home, is this one story of this Greek filmmaker.
Okay.
His name is Kostas Mitsotakis.
Oh, they have those Greeky names. Got it.
Yes. And dude, okay, so
Sorry.
I felt this in my heart because I feel like this would happen to me. Okay. Basically, what his little village in Spain used to do
Correct.
was used to collect money and they used to buy a lottery ticket.
Okay.
And this used to happen every year. And it was like a Christmas thing, you know, like the annual thing कि हम चंदा लेने आए हैं, हम लॉटरी टिकट खरीदेंगे ऐसे करके.
Correct.
His entire village won. And that was the year when he wasn't there. Like he wasn't home. And that dude was not home. He was the only one in that village who did not get a total of a part of the $922 million.
What?
And it was a relatively small village, so everyone got quite a big share. I mean, can you imagine? Everyone is like
Dude,
pitching in to buy one lottery ticket. Like,
Correct,
कितना
yeah.
बड़ा होगा वो Spanish village?
Correct. So maybe 100 people. So everybody got like 9 million.
आराम से. And Costas uncle was like, oh no, I missed out. But he wasn't sad about it. I heard that he made a film about it.
Yeah, being the only non-millionaire in
Like just the fact that how his village suddenly became rich.
Wow. But that's an intense story overall.
Such an but I felt that because I know that will happen to me. Like it's so close to home. It feels like the 4 people in my family got $9 million and I did not get. Like it is like that.
Wow.
Actually, if you are an unlucky person,
correct,
there's a good chance it will spread to the people around you. Like that is actually why we started talking about this in the first place.
Correct.
What is your effect on other people? This is something I thought of constantly when I heard about Melanie Martinez.
Okay.
ऐसे करके एक आंटी है.
हाँ, मेलनी.
लुइसियाना में रहती है.
आंटी
Melanie. Total 5 times her house has been destroyed by hurricane. Different years. Different spans of time.
Correct.
Her house in particular utterly wrecked by every hurricane that came by.
Wow.
And to make it better, the last time her house got wrecked, she had just had a $20,000 makeover to her house. Whoa. In a reality show.
Oh, because they were like, poor thing, her house has been
and
wrecked.
The name of the show is also very horrible, like Ugliest Houses in America or something.
Oh shit.
Something.
Oh, you know what? Give auntie,
for a person who lost 4 houses, I think
give Auntie Melanie a break. Okay, she has trouble associating with houses anymore because they keep going away.
They keep going, literally being blown away. Like, kya ho raha hai?
Shit.
And then
Dude,
the last time it happened to our house, the hurricane destroyed that makeover wala house. Like hurricane is like, acha.
Niagara. She left then.
I don't think so. I heard that she's still in Louisiana. But
I feel, you know what, I am also a stubborn person. But I think after 5 houses I'd be like, okay,
I get the point. I understand, Mr. Hurricane. Miss Hurricane. Sorry.
You know, imagine this, okay, what if, you know, her destiny is in another city, like she's supposed to do something awesome and God or universe is like, bro, nikal na yaar.
But then because of her, her family also goes through this, like every
I know.
time. Every time, like, acha hurricane.
अरे नया घर बनेगा,
नया घर बनवाएगा, वो भी चला जाएगा, it's fine. I'm the bitter old person sitting in the lawn in front of my house. Going, acha.
Arey, dude, I'm for all you know, their family now has become like very good construction contractors.
Maybe.
Because they got so much practice and now they're like experts.
Yeah, it's something like, you know, you keep going camping, you'll get so good at it, you might not need most of the shit that normal campers use, something like that.
Correct, yeah. Wow.
Damn.
Okay. Next, tell me. Who's
okay.
Unlucky?
So, this one is quite interesting because I feel like this is just, I think, 2 people who managed to get their bad luck to 3 different cities.
Oh.
And I don't know if that's how it works. Whether they were just unlucky they were in those cities or what. But Jason and Jenny Cairns Lawrence करके 2 British people है. Tourists, they love traveling. This is like part of their personality. I love traveling. That's what be on their Tinder bio.
Okay.
And they ended up going to America, New York on 9/11.
Whoa.
And they
they reached and
they were there. As soon as they were there, the terrorist attack happened. And they were like, chal theek hai. Was not a good time to be in NYC. Correct. I guess, you know, theek hai, whatever. Then they went back to London. And shortly after they went back to London, there was a terrorist bombing in their underground.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Where like suicide bombers had ended up like wrecking and destroying their subway and whatever. And I was just like, already I was like, Jenny and Jason, there is something wrong with you guys. Like, I don't know what it is. And then they were like, you know what, let's get away from white countries.
Correct. Because apparently they're very terroristy.
Because everyone wants to attack them.
Correct.
So they came to Mumbai.
Ayo.
When the Taj ka terrorist attack happened.
Shit. They're like, it's inescapable.
They're just like, it's us. No, but by the end of it, they became like terrorism connoisseurs, you know? Okay. Like, because they were like giving interviews like, actually, Mumbai dealt with it the best. Out of NYC and London, I think. Because the next day, the people had opened their shops and they were like,
it's Bombay, bro.
It's the same thing. Like, if a meteor hits your house, it'd be like, get this shit out of my house. I have to fix my roof.
It's so India though.
So
I like how like, Bombay did with it well. Yeah, bro, we gotta hustle.
So this is like a little intense. Terrorist attack and everything. I just wanted to come back to a funnier one. His name is Eric Nori, and he's been attacked by a shark. He's been attacked by a monkey.
Okay.
He's been attacked by a rattlesnake.
Okay.
And he has been struck by lightning.
Huh. This is a new one. I thought this would be like an animal
One, but the lightning
so
has
the
to come
point is,
in.
they say having a shark bite is even smaller than getting hit by lightning. Like as a human being, the chance of you getting
So he managed to do the most improbable thing.
in succession.
And apparently, it took out a chunk of his leg, like the shark. And his father-in-law, someone saved him, like just in time. So he was lucky. But he was unlucky in a sense because he's been attacked by a gajillion animals and also hit by lightning.
India with a lot of people have been bitten by monkeys, I would say.
I'm sure, and no one makes that a hue and cry. Hey, itna bada nahi hai ye problem.
Americans want to make they want to feel special for everything, dude. Like I can assure you, I think हमको ही पता होगा कोई dude who has been India में तो there's someone who has been bitten by a snake.
Yes, for sure.
Bitten by a monkey, bitten by a dog.
Huh. You've been bitten by a dog.
I've been bitten by a dog.
Yeah.
And
out of the 4 Padaku Panda people, 3 people have been bitten by a dog.
Yeah. And dude, so in India you can have your food snatched by an eagle. Yeah, an eagle can scratch you. A crow can peck you.
Seagulls can do shit.
Yeah. So I'm saying, so in India I'm sure there's someone who has had the full spectrum of
of all the animals like attacking.
And we have all the animals also, no?
हाँ पर कोई इसके बारे में Guinness Book of World Records में नहीं जाता है ना. So I think that thing where someone is cursed and it is unlucky and it spreads to everyone else. का biggest example was this lady called Violet Jessup.
Okay.
ठीक है, so she was a nurse and she was on the Titanic when it sunk.
Okay.
ठीक है, but she survived. So one of the people who survived the Titanic got out on that raft and all that. And then she went on Titanic's sister ship. She was a nurse. This was her job. Like whatever she was doing was part of her job. It was not like she was vacationing. She went on the sister ship Britannic. That also sunk.
Wow.
And then she went on a third ship, which got hit by a British Navy ship.
Also sunk.
Sunk essentially. But she survived. So she was called Miss Unsinkable.
Oh.
But don't you think there would be violent alarms when she got on a ship from that point on?
I think after that they would have not allowed her.
No, but I read that in 1920 you'd think that she would be off ships completely, but she kept going on ships.
Oh, okay.
After that, nothing happened. Nothing this intense happened.
So basically, the 3 times she got on the ship, all 3 ships sank.
And the third one so brutally. It got hit by another one and then it sunk.
Wow. That's a lot. Like, I would have left the
moment I saw Violet coming, I'd be like, sorry, not coming on this ship. I know too much about this woman.
But I like how the public just went, she's unsinkable.
Yeah, that was nice and wholesome, I think, because I'm looking at it from a different perspective. Yahi hai wo chudail jisne Titanic ko sink kiya. But I have saved the best story for the last, I think, because it is just, कुछ भी हो रहा है स्टोरी में, ठीक है? It's an older story, 1883.
Okay.
ठीक है? We have another Henry.
Whoa.
Okay, so this Henry dude, Henry Zieg something. Put in the name. So he was like, बस हो गया, I'm not happy in my relationship. ऐसे करके he broke up with his girlfriend.
Okay.
Girlfriend was so sad. Girlfriend was like, hey, this was like the love of my life. ऐसे करके she committed suicide.
What? Okay, that escalated. I was like, maybe she wrote a song like Taylor Swift.
If only.
And became like super rich.
If only.
Or something like that.
If only. Okay. But she killed herself.
Okay.
And then her brother was like, मैं लूँगा बदला ऐसे करके. He took a gun, he cocked it. He went up to Henry. He shot at him. And then he shot himself. But the bullet did not hit Henry. It just grazed him and it hit a tree at the back. ठीक है? And Henry survived. Henry was just knocked out in that time when the dude was like, oh, he died, now I'll kill myself types. And then years later, Henry came back like, that motherfucking tree ऐसे करके उस पे dynamite डाला, blew up that tree, उसमें से वो bullet निकला और Henry को मार दिया.
इसलिए गांडूगिरी नहीं करने का.
What?
Oh.
इसलिए गांडूगिरी.
Leave the you dude like just leave trees alone, bro.
I don't even know if that is the moral of this story.
That is the moral.
I don't.
First of all, the tree took a bullet for you.
That's true. That's true.
That tree took a bullet for you. See, first of all, you have been you know what? But now I know why he dumped her and why the brother wanted to kill her. Because he's an asshole.
He's definitely on the list of Henrys who fucked up.
Cool. Do you have any more?
That was my final one. There are a lot of others. Honestly, you guys
Correct.
can look them up.
I mean, it's a matter of perspective. What's lucky, what's unlucky, you know.
Correct, and it's all probability in the end.
Correct. I mean, you might feel unlucky today and feel lucky tomorrow because of the unlucky that happened today that sparked the lucky tomorrow, which turned out to be a bigger unlucky later. You just never know. That's what we are about. Positivity, luck.
And on that note,
Yeah.
if you like this, you'll definitely like our podcast, which is about cursed classes and how we hate Harry Potter right here.
Correct.
And subscribe to our channel, Padaku Panda. We have new episodes every Friday. And
Correct. And
little ones.
another random content on Wednesday. So we do a lot of fun stuff. So do check it out. So subscribe, like, hit the notification bell icon, and hope you hang out.